Good evening. You join me this evening in Snowdonia. I've pulled up in a lay-by just next to Molshabad, just outside Capel Curig, and I've met up with Steve Stain. I'm going to car camp for the night and hopefully catch the sunrise tomorrow near Nant Gwynant. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're meeting up with David Griff and his Micro Four Thirds Facebook page, so with some other photographers as well. So that should be really cool. And then, yeah, I don't think there's any kind of real hard fast plan, but basically we're going to spend the weekend in Snowdonia and check out a few different locations. So yeah, we've got some ideas in mind. I don't know where they are, and I can't pronounce half of them. But yeah, as we go along this video, it might be split into two videos. I'm not sure yet. I'll give you some updates as to what we're doing. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It should be a good laugh. And yeah, that's my little camping setup there in the back of the car. Not my most luxurious setup, but it should be fine. It's only a couple of nights. So yeah, looking forward to it. And yeah, I hope to bring you along on the journey with me. See you in the morning. Good morning. Yeah, bit of a rough night in the car. For some reason I couldn't sleep because of my knee. But yeah, warm enough. Just come down about 10 minutes down the road to Llyn Dinas. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. With Steve. Good morning, Steve. So yeah, we're going to walk around Llyn Dinas. There's some lone trees down here, there's some boat houses, and some lovely looking gnarly oak trees. So yeah, the plan this morning really is just walk around there, see if we can find something. We was hopeful for a little bit of fog, but that doesn't seem to have transpired. But no issues. It still looks like a beautiful, calm morning. So yeah, gonna follow Steve down here. I think he came here last week, to be honest with you. Yeah, gonna head down there, see what we can find. Just a couple of minutes walk from the car. What a beautiful sight, beautiful reflections, absolutely gorgeous. You can see that there. So we're going to head over around the lake, around the Llyn, this side, and yeah, see what we can find. Okay, so we've come around the other side of the Llyn, and I'm going for what I believe to be a pretty classic shot from this area, which is there's a boathouse just out there with the mountains in the background. We did have a lovely, still, calm Llyn, but unfortunately as the sun's come up, the wind has picked up ever so slightly, which is causing some ripples in the water. So I'm going to stick around for a little bit and just see if this calms down a bit, because I'd love to get some nice reflections here. But basically, just to explain what I'm doing with the composition. Okay, so hopefully you can see this all right. Basically, what I've done is I've put the boathouse on the right-hand third, balanced out by the mountains on the left-hand side here. Rather than doing what I would normally do, which is put the horizon line either on the top or the bottom third, I've actually put it smack bang in the middle here. Basically, the thought with that is we get some nice reflections. It should get a nice mirror image in the photo. Shooting at f8, 1/20th of a second currently, but as the sun comes up a bit higher, I might have to change that. Yeah, if it works out any good, I'll pop it on the screen now. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Yeah, just while walking over there's a lone tree that we went to have a look at. Steve told me it wouldn't be too boggy, so I didn't bother putting my walking boots on, I just put my walking shoes on. I regretted that. I've got very cold, wet feet at the minute. The things we do for our craft. So, yeah, Steve's back over that way, I think, with the lone tree. Just going to stick this out again for a bit, just see if the conditions change slightly. If they do, great. If not, I might head over there towards Steve and see what else I can find. It is a beautiful morning, I'm just not entirely sure it's working photographically, but, well, we'll see. Things could change. Weather changes very quickly in these areas, so yeah, all is not lost. Bit of light entertainment for the morning. We just caught what we believe to be a trout jumping out the water. I think I managed to catch it on camera. If I did, I'll put it on screen now. Just when you think you've done, the light kicks off. Just look at that, absolutely beautiful. Just that little extra ingredient that I think is really going to make this photo work. It's that lovely light just cast on those mountains there in the background. It is just starting to rain a bit, so we are losing some of the reflections, unfortunately, but yeah, I think that's just the extra ingredient we need for this photo. It's absolutely beautiful. What a lovely morning, it really is. So yeah, again, similar, exactly the same composition as I've been taking already this morning, but it just goes to show if you just wait it out a little bit, sometimes things can work out for you. So, I made a bit of a schoolboy error. It started to rain, I thought I'm going to put all my stuff away, I think we're pretty much done here. Never do that. As I walked over to Steve, he's just 20 yards that way. He's like, oh, I'm surprised you put your camera away. I went, no, I thought I had everything I wanted from this morning. Yeah, and then this happened. Rainbow in the most perfect place for this photo. It's absolutely gorgeous. So very quickly ran back over here, set the camera back up, and got a photo which I think is going to look absolutely beautiful. Such a beautiful, beautiful, strong colour rainbow. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to get this one back in the PC and edit it. I'm pretty certain it's going to be a pretty good photo. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. So, from Llyn Dinas, I think we're done here for the morning, to be honest with you. So, yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. I think we've got some good photos. Gonna go and get some breakfast now, I think, from Llyn. And then later on meet up with David Griff and the rest of the Micro Four Thirds group. So, just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.